Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Swan Banking as a Service. Swan Banking as a Service offers a platform for businesses to integrate banking functionalities into their own applications. Its main purpose is to provide a streamlined solution for managing financial transactions within a company's existing software ecosystem. This is ideal for fintech startups and businesses seeking to offer financial services to their users. Key features likely include APIs for account creation, transaction processing, and balance inquiries. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing tiers. Swan Banking as a Service positions itself as a cost-effective and efficient alternative to building in-house banking solutions. They emphasize ease of integration and a focus on secure transactions. Pricing transparency seems to be a priority, though specifics would need to be checked on their website. The technology behind the service likely involves robust security protocols and compliance with relevant financial regulations. Availability is likely dependent on geographic location and compliance requirements, so checking their website is recommended. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Swan Banking as a Service. Setting up the initial integration into my existing app was surprisingly straightforward. Their documentation was clear and concise, and the API calls were well documented, making the process quick and easy. Navigating the dashboard to manage API keys and monitor transactions was intuitive. For example, I was easily able to track real-time transaction statuses and identify any potential issues. The performance has been excellent, transactions process quickly and reliably. I had a quick question about adjusting transaction limits, and their support team responded promptly via email with a clear explanation. I was really impressed by how well the API integrated with my existing payment processing system. The standout feature for me was definitely the comprehensive reporting tools. Generating detailed transaction reports was effortless. One minor drawback was the lack of comprehensive documentation on advanced features. It took me a little while to fully grasp how to customize certain notification settings. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Swan Banking as a Service. It's a powerful tool that significantly streamlined my financial operations, and despite a few minor quirks, it generally met my needs and exceeded my expectations regarding efficiency. That's my overview of Swan Banking as a Service. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.